This is some grass hay. Got our fancy New Holland and the fancy Case IH. Get some grass hay here. Pretty good stuff. Just normal grass. So, you gotta do a couple things when you get grass hay. You gotta cut it. You gotta let it dry. You gotta rake it. And then you can bale it when everything's good and dry. If you don't, it gets spontaneous combust and just go into a fire. So it's all right. This is perfect grass hay. Well, my driver says I need to let go of the bone. So see you next time.